Huge news for gold and silver this morning, everybody. Let's talk about it on this morning's gold and silver update. Good morning, everybody. Happy coffee. Massive news today for silver and gold, everyone. Things are happening in the upward motion, everyone. So we're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. For the past week, this week, guys, silver has really struggled. It's struggled up. It's struggled down. It struggled to hit 69 and hold 69. But guess what happened yesterday? We hit the 69 mark. We held the 69 mark, guys, and things really ramped up overnight. We're going to definitely talk about that. We're going to talk about our silver mining stocks, what you can buy, how much you can buy silver miners for, everybody. Another good investment to add to your stack, just not physical. Although we are not financial advisors, we're going to start talking about silver miners. What are the big silver miner companies and what are some of the better ones to invest in? We're continuing to investigate our silver miners every day, everyone. So fantastic news this morning for silver, for gold. Gold continues to hold over $4,600 an ounce, everybody. And silver blasts over $69 an ounce to 70.26 currently at 4:19 a.m. in the morning. 4:19 a.m. in the morning, everyone. So fantastic day. I can't tell you how excited I was at 1 a.m. in the morning when I saw over 70. You're like, SSC, why are you up at 1 a.m.? Well, I went back to sleep, trust me. But hey, it's Friday. It's a great day. I always get excited about making videos on Fridays, everybody. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to a family of stackers. We have a lot of fun on this channel. I'm not going to ever quit doing this. I'm always going to do it. I'm always going to try to improve it for you guys, try to improve our background, throw some signs up, have some fun with this. This is a kind of a fun little room from my little bedroom to your living room, everybody. I'm just the quarterback. You're the team, and you make this channel successful. We are a family channel. We are the channel, not me. We are the channel, everybody. So shout out to all my friends all over the world, all over the United States, all of our big viewers, California, Texas, Florida, Pennsylvania, New York, everybody, Oklahoma, Kansas, all around Oklahoma, everybody. Shout out to you. Appreciate you very, very much for watching me and supporting me. 70.25 on silver, everybody. You know, we were bouncing 67, 68, 69, and I was like, we have to hit 69 obviously was a resistance point. 70 was definitely a resistance point till this morning. And 69 was just one of the ones we had to hit. And we talked about this. We had to hit it. We had to keep it. And then we had to hit 70. Now we've hit 70. We're at 70.23, everybody. We have to keep that 70 an ounce. We have to keep that 70 an ounce for it to continue to go up. I think we're on a small bull run. Our next resistance point is $72 an ounce. And once we hit the 72, I think it can really start really cranking again. Here we are, guys. August 28th, almost September. What's going to happen the rest of this year? I think our silver is going to continue to go up. Everybody remembers $80, $90, $100 an ounce silver. We all got spoiled. Then we pulled all the way back into the 50s, everybody. And man, I sure hope you hit the button and bought you lots of silver back then, because if you did buy it at triple digits and you bought it in the 50s and in even the low 60s, everybody, and even right now, you're still well ahead of the game. So a lot of you started stacking years and years ago. So I know you're already way, way ahead of the game. So, hey, I hope everybody's still buying. Support your local coin shops, everybody. A lot of people are selling out. I am not going to sell unless I absolutely need to help somebody. That's usually the only reason why I sell my silver or my gold, is if I'm helping somebody, everybody. Maybe myself. Well, no. Normally it's someone else that's in dire straits, that needs help. I've given pizza delivery drivers silver rounds, guys. So, we all need a little push in life. So here we go. 1881 on platinum, everybody, and 1368 palladium, and rhodium about the same at $8,400, everybody. So what's Hong Kong? What's Mumbai doing? Guys, I can't get London to pull up this morning. But it is what it is. But we got Hong Kong, we got Mumbai. They're Hong Kong, $4,583 and $68.91 on silver. Shout out once again to my good friends Charles and Martha. We're excited to have them in Oklahoma, back in Oklahoma, permanently, hopefully. And Mumbai's at $4,584 and $68.95 on silver. So everybody, make sure to give your comments. What do you think? What do you think silver is going to end up today? It's looking like 70. It's looking like maybe pulling back to high 69s. But even if it does, if it pulls up to 69.86, back in the background, I've got a little sign over here I wrote on to remind me what last week was. 68.85 on silver on Friday, and 46.02 on gold last Friday is what we ended up. So if we hit 69.85 or 86 for silver, everybody, that's $1 increase in silver per week. That's $4 a month, guys. That's a really healthy incline in silver. Very, very healthy. So let's move on to our gold to silver ratio, guys. Shout out to Sluice Boys, my guys on eBay. What an absolute fun auction to go to and buy gold nuggets, everybody. Not only do they have some incredible gold nuggets, we saw one last night that was 100 and something grams. It was huge. Wow, it was incredible, everyone. Incredible gold nugget. And Mrs. SSC bought my birthday present, so I couldn't really buy a whole lot of nuggets last night. Shout out to Mustang on Sluice Boys, who watches our channel. Mustang, you got a nice nugget last night. Was that an Alaskan nugget or a Aussie nugget? Let me know. Alaskan nuggets are a little bit less purity, highest purity gold nuggets, guys. One of them is the Australian gold nuggets. So shout out to Australia. Have some beautiful gold nuggets. I wish I was there doing some gold nugget finding. How fun would that be, everyone? But a lot of your people that do search hard for nuggets, they don't find just a ton. You would think you go into a stream, you pull out, 20 grams of gold nuggets, and you go home and you sell it and you buy some other stuff, right? So the gold to silver ratio this morning, everybody. Gold to silver ratio. You ready for this? Are you ready for this? 65.49. I knew that was going to happen looking at the gold price this morning and our silver price. Silver is once again outperforming profitability percentage-wise. It's outperforming gold, everybody. I think it will continue. We got some geopolitical issues. We got industrial issues, guys, with gold. We got industrial issues with silver. 18%. They're projecting an 18% increase in silver bar and coin sales just this year and next year, everybody. 18% increase. That's massive. Industrial sector in the silver market, guys, holds about 60% of all silver used in the world, guys, worldwide, 60%. But I mean, it looks like more and more people are buying silver and gold to hold, right? So when it's up 18% like that, that's a big number. I think it's going to continue to drive. I think the long-term outlook for silver is massive, although some of these channels that have these thumbnails that use scare tactics, we don't do that. Some of my thumbnails you might consider clickbait, but I try to make them non-scare tactics. Don't scare you, crash, sell all your silver. If you don't buy silver now, you're going to regret it and your whole life's going to end. No, I don't work that way. But you know what? It's funny because people love those videos because they get 100,000 views on them. It's absolutely crazy. I guess I'm just going to stick with being a little tiny guy and doing things my way. And I love it. And I will continue it. I believe in things. I believe in the way I do things. And I believe in you, everybody. So 65.46, guys. Let's move on to our incredible copper. Guys, copper has rebounded big time, man. It's all-time highs, everybody. It continues to hit all-time highs. Copper in the future is the next silver. I don't care what any of you say. And you might say, I'm going to unsubscribe to SSC because he likes copper. Well, you definitely just need to go away. I don't care, because if you're going to unsubscribe to me because I like something, well, hey, that's your business. I'm not a financial advisor. You make your own decisions, but that's the decision I have made to invest in copper and miners, silver miners, copper miners. Copper $6.60 this morning, everybody. Nickel $7.60 and aluminum $1.46. Holding about the same on aluminum. Zinc is $1.87 and 84 cents on lead, still about the same. Good coffee this morning, guys. What a great Friday it is. We got Bubba over here laying on the lounger here. So, that's what cats do. My dogs, they're outside. Yes. Let's move on to goldbacks, guys. Goldbacks, with gold being up, goldbacks are really holding their own. 24 karat gold, everybody, you can hold. I love my goldbacks. We're going to do a gold nugget and goldback reveal video to bring to you, everybody. I'm not sure when it's going to come out. I'll try to let you know on Sunday, but I'm going to show you all the goldbacks and the gold nuggets that Mrs. SSC and myself, we are a team, but mainly Mrs. SSC and her goldbacks. That's her big thing. My big thing is nuggets. Her big thing is nuggets, and goldbacks. My big thing, silver. But she is a gold girl. So we're at 921 on goldbacks, everybody. Let's move on to the India and Shanghai spot price right now. Silver at Shanghai is 77.91 on Shanghai, everybody. And the one that always has really surprised us all this year is India. And here's what's funny about this right now. Let me refresh this just to see if it changes, and it does not. We got Shanghai at 77.91, and we've got India at 77.99. So what is going on there? What is going on there, everybody? All the central banks, we all know that they're buying gold like crazy. They're buying silver. They're pulling in, everybody. They're pulling in because we got a little bit weaker U.S. dollar. Our oil is kind of stabilized around $82. But let's look at our U.S. dollar right now. It's actually up a little bit. It was, in the 98s. Now we're at 99.13 on the U.S. dollar. And our oil prices, everybody, are right at, where are they at here? Let's find them here. 83.17. So they're down a little bit, but they will probably either come down or go back up, just depending on what happens over in the Hormuz Straits or whatever they call it. Anymore, I don't really try to keep up with that too much, because silver is going to do what silver does. It has a mind of its own. Gold has a mind of its own, everybody. So our silver and gold right now, 46.02 on gold, and 70.32 on silver. What a fantastic Friday. Let's move on to Miners Minutes, everybody. I'm loving this new Miners Minutes thing because when I learn and read and understand about new things and investigate things, I get excited. I get thrilled. And so we're going to go over about 5 different miner stocks every day, and until we get through about the top 20, and then we'll continue to update you on miner price. Wheaton miner prices, silver prices, guys. Wheaton Precious Metals. Wheaton's one of the biggest ones, everybody, and it reflects it. They're at over $157.99. And on the New York Stock Exchange, guys, it's WPM 157.99. Everybody, that's about the price of 2.5 ounces of silver. So you can buy some good stock. They're off a very solid company. Fresnillo is OTC. It goes by FNLPF, and they're at 42.90, guys. That's less than an ounce of silver. Less than an ounce of silver. So you can diversify not only in your precious metals, but in silver miner stocks, and put those in miner stocks and hold those stocks and for years and years and years. A good solid company. If you're looking for super long-term stocks, guys, super long-term holdings, get you some silver miners. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor, everybody, but if they're mining silver and they're mining gold, I can tell you right now that they're a good solid. If they're financially stable and liquid, they're solid to invest in. We've got Core Mining once again, 22.21, guys, for a stock, 22.21. Okay, that's not even a half ounce of silver to buy some stocks. So if, let's say, you've got your silver, precious silver metals in hand, and you want to invest in some stocks, and you say, I'll just buy, instead of buying, 10 ounces of silver, I'm going to buy 10 silver miner stocks, guys, or gold, right? So another good way. Look at this one, Royal Gold, everybody. NASDAQ, RGLD, $268.96. Woohoo! That's massive, everyone. Pan America Silver, New York Stock Exchange, PAAS. Everybody, look it up. 54.89. Still less than an ounce of physical silver, everybody, that you can diversify in. And Hecla Mining, 21.43. They're also the New York Stock Exchange. They go by HL. Wow, 21.43. Good one. And I'm not sure how this one's pronounced. We're going to go through this one, and then one more, and then we've already been through our 5. Pan America Silver, 54.89. Yeah, I like that one. But Buenaventura Mining Company, 36.17. Well, there's a bunch of them out there, everybody. So we'll continue to go over those. The top silver miner right now, 157.99 with Wheaton Precious Metals, everybody. And then we've got Core Mining at Fresnillo at 42.90 silver mining stocks, guys. And we'll also go in depth on where these companies are mining. Where are they mining out of Mexico? Are they mining overseas? Are they mining in the Barren Seas or in Canada? Wherever they might be mining, guys. So we're going to go one more back into gold and silver, guys. What a happy Friday for me. I'm very excited about what is happening. Although, if it was $10 an ounce less, I could buy more silver. But because Mrs. SSC bought my birthday present, I hit it again because she bought my birthday present, everybody. And I'll be showing that to you on Super Copper Silver Sunday. I'm very excited about it. I'm very blessed. Been wanting one of these for 40 years, guys. And I'll give you a hint. It's a watch. It's a watch, everybody. And I've been conservative, and Mrs. SSC surprised me. And thank God for her. That's all I can say. Thank God for everything because it's just a loan. But 4601 on gold, 70.30 on silver right now. Happy coffee. Happy Friday, everybody. I hope everybody has a great Friday, retired or going to work. And a shout out to all my friends all over this channel, everybody. Thank you so very much from my heart. From my heart, thank you for watching us. And if you're new to the channel, thank you so very much. We appreciate you. Everybody, have a blessed day. May the Heavenly Father bless you, my viewers. Bless those less fortunate than us that we hold this beautiful silver and gold and these beautiful investments that we have and your success. We all owe it to the Heavenly Father, and it's just a simple loan. It's just a loan that He has thrown down upon you. It's a loan on this earth because we can't take it with us. So everybody have a great Friday. Concentrate on the 80% that you have and not the 20% that you seek. Happy coffee, everybody. Clicker in hand. Here we go. I'm out.